This is the U-2 spy plane, affectionately known as the Lockheed U-2 Dragon Lady, which boasts a rich history marked by some notable incidents. On May 1, 1960, American pilot Francis Gary Powers was shot down flying a U-2 plane during a high-altitude reconnaissance mission over the Soviet Union, heightening Cold War tensions between the U.S. and the USSR. The U-2 also played a pivotal role in the Cuban Missile Crisis, supplying critical intelligence on Soviet missile installations in Cuba.
My fellow citizens, this government, as promised, has maintained the closest surveillance of the Soviet military buildup on the island of Cuba. The purpose of these bases can be none other than to provide a nuclear strike capability against the Western Hemisphere.
In addition, it conducted surveillance missions over the People's Republic of China during the early Cold War stages, and it has long been instrumental in monitoring North Korean military activities, including its nuclear program. Designed at the height of the Cold War, the U-2's primary mission was to fly at extremely high altitudes and capture detailed images of the Earth's surface. Over the years, it has provided the United States with invaluable information on foreign military operations, installations, and movements. As the United States Air Force prepares to retire this iconic aircraft, which has served since the 1950s, attention has turned to modern, cutting-edge technologies for its replacement. Although no official announcement has been made, several potential contenders with unique capabilities and advantages are being considered by the military. Let's delve into the U-2's prospective successors in detail. The first consideration is the RQ-4 Global Hawk. This high-altitude, long-endurance drone has already been employed alongside the U-2 for reconnaissance missions. The Global Hawk is expected to continue serving in this capacity and may even receive upgrades to take on additional tasks. As a remotely piloted aircraft, the Global Hawk eliminates the risk to pilots and can stay airborne for extended periods, providing persistent surveillance over large areas.
This is a unique weapon system. There's only one Global Hawk out there, and there's only a handful of them. So low density, high demand asset. It has very important jobs to do. The Air Force has a responsibility to conduct an ISR mission. The Global Hawk is a part of that. And if we can't launch these aircraft, that mission doesn't happen. And that U.S. Air Force ISR mission is important because more often than not, that lays the groundwork for just about every military operation that's conducted on this globe. We are the starting point for that.
The second consideration is the RQ-180. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the RQ-180 is a highly secretive drone with limited public information available. It is believed to possess stealth capabilities and the ability to fly at high altitudes, making it an ideal candidate to succeed the U-2. Although its exact specifications remain classified, the RQ-180 could provide a significant leap forward in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities for the United States. The third and best choice for the U-2's replacement is next-generation satellite technology. The United States is investing heavily in a new generation of satellites, capable of providing high-resolution imagery and essential data. These satellites could work in tandem with drones like the Global Hawk and RQ-180 to offer a comprehensive intelligence gathering system. By combining the strengths of satellite and drone technology, the military can ensure continuous coverage of areas of interest, even in contested airspace. The last consideration for its replacement is hypersonic technology. Hypersonic platforms can travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, making them difficult for adversaries to detect or intercept. The U.S. military is already investing heavily in hypersonic research, with the potential for both offensive and reconnaissance applications. Hypersonic vehicles could enable rapid, long-range intelligence gathering and strike capabilities, effectively transforming aerial reconnaissance and strategic strike missions. The retirement of the U-2 spy plane marks the end of an era, but it also presents an opportunity for the United States to embrace cutting-edge technology to maintain its competitive edge in intelligence gathering. As the Air Force considers the potential replacements for the U-2, including drones, satellites, and hypersonic technology, the ultimate decision will likely be shaped by the specific needs of the military and the rapidly evolving global landscape. What should they replace the spy plane with? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more.